The images released by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory stunned every astronomer who saw them. For the first time in recorded history, an interstellar object known as 3 Atlas brightened 4 times in 6 minutes. To most people it looked like a flicker. But to those who understand deep space mechanics, it was a moment when the laws of physics seemed to blink. NASA labeled it a non-gravitational acceleration event, a calm phrase hiding the unsettling truth. 3 Atlas wasn't just moving. It was reacting. Its light intensified as if responding to observation. It accelerated with no force acting on it. It traveled on a path too precise to be random, as if following instructions written long before our species learned to study the sky. On November 17, 2025, NASA published what should have been routine solar observation data. But within hours researchers realized the readings were impossible. The object brightened by a factor of 5 after its solar pass, yet produced no dust or vapor. Subaru Observatory confirmed a faint green halo exactly matching NASA's timestamp. The space around it was perfectly clean. No tail. No outgassing. Nothing natural. The acceleration data made the event even stranger. 3 Atlas sped up when every comet should be slowing. NASA used the term non-gravitational propulsion. Those words shook the scientific world because if something isn't being pulled, it's being pushed. But by what? There was no loss of mass, no jets, no chemical release. The motion was smooth, consistent, and intentional. Its orbit only deepened the mystery. A true interstellar comet should cut through the solar system in a wild, unbound arc. Instead, Atlas slipped into the ecliptic plane like a spacecraft entering a planned route. Its path aligned perfectly with planetary orbits and passed near Venus, Mars, and Jupiter at distances used for gravity assists. The odds of this happening naturally were nearly zero. Spectral scans changed everything again. The surface carried unusually high nickel but almost no iron, a combination that does not occur in nature. There was almost no water, meaning it did not form in an icy outer disk but near intense heat. Its blue-white reflection suggested a smooth, engineered shell. Thermal readings showed a perfectly uniform temperature, something only metal structures with controlled conduction can achieve. Then the pulses began. Ultraviolet flashes repeating every 17 minutes, 3 at a time, then silence. The sequence didn't match rotation or thermal cycling. When converted into radio values, the pulses echoed the same intensity curve as the 1977 WOW signal. 2 events separated by decades, now linked by rhythm and math. As Atlas approached solar conjunction, 3 observatories detected a massive symmetrical form glowing near the corona, matching Atlas's trajectory. NASA dismissed it as a solar artifact, but the synchronized data suggested a companion object or field, far larger than Atlas itself. During the weeks Atlas was hidden behind the Sun, strange lights appeared above Earth's oceans. Circular glowing forms, motionless in the sky, pulsing in the same 17-minute rhythm. Radar captured them. They vanished without trace. Some scientists whispered the possibility of secondary probes deployed from the main object. When Atlas re-emerged, nothing about it had changed. Its temperature, brightness, and acceleration stayed perfectly consistent. NASA, ESA, JAXA, and private observatories quietly began sharing data. The tone of the analysis shifted. This was no longer the study of a comet. It was the study of behavior. The implications settled over the scientific world like a weight. If Atlas was a machine, it was unimaginably old. Older than human civilization. Built by minds that mastered physics long before our ancestors lit their first fires. Its purpose remained unknown. Its systems still functioned flawlessly. Its pulses might not be messages, they could be operational routines of a machine continuing its mission long after its creators vanished. As Atlas continues its silent, deliberate journey, humanity is left with a choice. Fear the unknown, or learn from it. We can cling to old explanations, or accept that the universe may be filled with ancient mechanisms still traveling, still working, still waiting. 3. Atlas may not be a visitor. It may be a reminder that the universe is far older, far stranger, and far more alive with intelligence than we ever imagined. If this story left you questioning our place in the cosmos, stay with us. The next wave of data may rewrite everything again.